Over the last 2 decades, we have assessed the implementation process of UNCRPD, and it has been demonstrated, undisputed, that instead of achieving the ultimate goal of inclusion, we still are being excluded. The reason of exclusion, persistent exclusion, is the non-inclusion of persons with disabilities in all programs, service delivery systems, and mainstream legislation and policies. We are continuing to build infrastructure, develop communication systems, develop service delivery models without considering disability as a part of the recipient of the fruits of those developments. Now time has come when we enter the next decade that we have to mainstream disability in order to achieve the ultimate goal of inclusion. Unless we do that, we will continue in the next decade also to state and make statement to the same effect that we are making today. Therefore, I urge upon the member states to relook and come out of the disability-specific policies and legislation and converge the disability-specific legislation and policies integrate them into mainstream legislation. Let us build society for persons with disabilities and not keeping them a constituency separate from other citizens. Thank you very much.